Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make chocolate muffins. Let's start. First I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour and taking out 1 tablespoon, and adding 1 tablespoon of chocolate powder. If you like more chocolate taste, you can increase number of spoons of chocolate powder, and remember same number of spoons to be removed from all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and pinch of baking soda. Then I am straining the flour using a strainer. Now I am adding 2 medium-sized eggs to a bowl. Then add half cup of sugar and whisk them well for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am adding half cup of oil and whisk again until sugar fully dissolve in the mixture, and in between I added bit of salt. Add the flour mixture into the egg mixture. After adding the flour, we have to mix them really well until there are no lumps. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. After that I am adding 2 tablespoons of fresh milk into the mixture. Add the milk gradually and continue mixing. If you still watching the video, and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. After mixing them, now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix again. Now I am going to add chocolate chips to the mixture. And I am coating them with flour. Otherwise chips will move to the bottom of the muffins. Now I am going to transfer them to a bowl where I can pour them easily to the muffin tray. Then I am taking my muffin tray and place the muffin liners inside the tray. Now fill the cups with the mixture and adding some flour-coated chocolate chips on top of the muffins. This muffin recipe is super easy and delicious. It needs few ingredients and you will love the taste. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Before transfer to the oven, preheat your oven for 5 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the muffins for 15 to 20 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Check with a bamboo stick. If your muffins are ready, bamboo stick will come out clean, without anything stuck around. See how nice these muffins looks, it's very easy. Now you can taste this with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.